Okay, what's up guys? Let me know if you hear me good. I ran wrong intro. It should be that one. I ran wrong one from the regular session. It should be from the bonus. But never mind. Never mind. Let's look at the calendar. Half hour to the CPI. Let's look closer at the data. And there is very similar on that core PPI monthly, yearly. Literally the same. Yeah, that year they are very precise in they are just on point with forecast. Look here, exactly on point every month. Here also it's just a 0.1% here and here. It's like a nothing. Same here. 2026 is on point with CPI forecast. Here also. Okay, so what they forecast? Lower is negative, higher is positive for dollar, so we need lower than 0.2 here, lower than 2.8 here, and lower than 3.8 here. I'm talking of course about gold. And 4 p.m. okay, there is another event. I didn't saw it on Sunday. I miss it or they just add it. Let me check. Let me check it. Yeah, I miss it. I didn't saw it. Look. Wednesday, Sunday stream, 4 p.m. Yeah, I miss it. Didn't saw it. And today will be no regular session because I'm going to doctor to check my eyes, and that's not a joke, and that's a true story. I'm just going to check if my eyes can got, I don't know how to say that. Contact lenses, yeah. I'm just going to check for contact lenses. So no regular session today, only bonus session. What's up, Christian? We can go for the gold. We talk about CPI at 4 p.m. At 4 p.m. everything can change. CPI can do the fake out. 4 p.m. can just go with opposite direction. And be careful for president posts about conflict, because we got a lot of it last time, and situation going to change very quick. Today, yeah, nothing. Yeah, you see. 10 p.m. yesterday. Going to hit them hard tonight and tomorrow. And then before, yeah, some missiles. And about Hormuz open yesterday, that was there is a lot of news. Yeah, something about Strait of Hormuz. So World Cup for USA is over. So now president reminds us about the conflict. Classic. What's up, gold? Yesterday I sent scenario. That was 1 minute chart. Here volatility were pretty big. We got a very big volume candle. We sweep it with lower volume, so I believe after the breakout we can see some reversal, but market decide to play higher time frame. Of course, if you enter it with stop below the low or below the zone, you will get out. Unfortunately, market decide to play from higher time frame. Yeah, 1 hour high volume candle. Market swept it once again, and trying to do the pullback maybe. When I look at the 1 hour chart, there is lower high, lower low, fib range. It's here. 0.5 is here. Fixed volume range. value area high inside fib level, so another confirmation for that zone. EMAs are above the candles now on the 4-hour chart. On the daily, yeah, we are just tapping the candles. I want to see the break of structure here. That will be super good. Equal lows. Daily high is here now. We tap the equal low. You can see. Relatively equal. So if we do the break of structure here on the daily, it can be probably a reversal sign. But for now, 4-hour is tap to the crucial support and trying to bounce up. 1 hour trying to do the pullback. We got the analysis from lower high to lower low. There is the zone. There is potential line for the move to the downside also. And playing with the direction suggest going lower. But I see strong support here. And I really want to see gold around 4.5K. Yeah, look at the volume here. Imagine pulls back. I change now because I zoom out, bigger picture. Big volume above daily high, another big volume here, another big volume here. Will be nice to go there. That sells on gold is very aggressive. It's really very aggressive. It's 30 30% in 168 days. It's something like a 5.5 months, almost 6 months, half year. 30% in half year. It's a lot. That was not even that aggressive. It's 20%, but not that aggressive. That was conflict. Yeah, no, that was COVID. What a price action inside. Fibs, counter trend, Fibs. I wish I start trading 10 years ago, when you need only break and retest. All good. We bearish still, I believe. Yeah, 1 hour. Daily overall is bearish until we do the reversal here. There is daily high. So daily technically bearish, but we hit equal lows with strong support. So we'll see. I want to see CPI outcome. 8 minutes. Maybe CPI do nothing like previous months. It's literally do nothing. Just small move. Maybe similar to unemployment claims, because their forecasts are really on point. That's why market didn't get the shock. So daily is bearish technically, but inside is strong support. 4 hour bearish, looking like a pullback, bounced off the support. Maybe, you know, summertime is usually consolidation, so I will be not surprised if we just do the consolidation, reaccumulation in this range. I will be not surprised if until end of summer gold will spend there a lot of time. Let me look at the seasonal chart. June, July, August. Consolidation, June, July, and August start running. But we follow the seasonality since January. It's going nice, but then something goes wrong, and And yeah, and gold just start dropping from end of January, if I'm not wrong. End of January till March. End of January till March, pullback. Yeah, so gold not following it as well this year. But maybe June and July, consolidation before the run. We'll see. I don't think so we hit new all-time highs this year. I really don't think so. Everything is possible, but it can be really hard. Maybe more like here, above here. If we flip bullish, I will targeting here and here. Also 4.5K is lower. We don't need to speculate now about bigger picture. But gold spent a lot of time already inside this range. See, let's say this is our range. We got gold spent a lot of time around 4K 200. So maybe that's the bottom of the consolidation, and that's gonna be the top of the consolidation. If not, we got the 1 hour analysis. There is a box for the 1 hour. If you believe there is a trend and no consolidation, you can place sells from this zone and spot this liquidity. You can hunt for it like this or here. So technically we can go for that low, and we also can stay inside the range. So I'm waiting for the CPI 2 minutes. I'm sorry, 1 minute. Uh, 4,200 is the high that needs to break for bullish setup. Yeah, exactly. I'm looking more at the bodies, you know, of the daily candles. But yeah, this is we need to break above that zone to go bullish. It's gonna be pure change of character for daily chart. Okay, here we go. Oh, what's up? Come on. Damn. GG's. Old CPI is back. I love it. Old CPI is back. We can easily go to top of the consolidation. We can easily go to top of the consolidation. Yeah, every number is worth more than 0.1%. So they are not that on point like previous months. Maybe President mess with his spoon. Yeah, GG, I'm happy. I'm holding from yesterday, so I'm happy. I need to manage my position and yeah, I'm going break even. Because we are hitting here. NFP were here, CPI is here. Imagine I'm holding position from 4K. And from the for 3 and 450 from yesterday, 15 I mean. Imagine if that candle spiked down. Slippage. That was $70. So candle start here. $70. Yeah, a bit below my stop loss. Slippage will be brutal here. So we'll see if it's a reject here or we go for the top of the consolidation. If we go to the top, I will looking for some sells to the downside. I will be not that super confident with hit the bottom again. Maybe I will play 50%. So somewhere here. Maybe I will trying to play 50% sells. If it goes more down, never mind, I will go for the buys from the bottom. And with scenario breakout, we need some pullback and go again to the upside, you know. But ideally, if we really inside the consolidation, sells had big potential here around the top of the consolidation if we are in the range. Summertime is usually ranging, so I trust the seasonality. Buys at the bottom, sells at the high, at the top, and we'll see. There is also counter trend. If they reject it, yeah, it is what it is. 5-minute candle, monster. One minute can rebalance something and go up again. What's up? Do you have the screen? Everything is good with the quality? I got black screen from the YouTube. And now we are also, you know, we hit again 50% fair value. So maybe some pullback and continuation to the upside. From upside, if we hit 50%, we can go for the pullback and continuation to the bottom. That's the rules for the range. You never play at the 50% with flow. Wait for the pullback. Yes, everything good. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Let's look at the another assets, because we spent a lot of time with gold. I had something around 10 minutes and I need to finish. Yeah, I believe gold explained well. Nothing more to say. Dollar tapped the zone once again and go down, but that was break even. That idea was break even. They tap it again. Do the break of structure on the 1 hour, pulls back and GG's. Maybe we hit that zone one time. and it's looking like want to do it today. So if dollar hit that zone, just buys. If gold hit that zone, sells. Yesterday got hit the bottom, that was buy setup from myself. Of course, if you set the stop loss below the low, you get out. I set it somewhere here. It's pretty big, but I'm not scared of playing big stop loss like a lot of people. A lot of people don't like to play big stop loss. I don't need to risk 1 to 20. 1 to 5 is enough for me. Yeah, we got that dollar also potential inside the range. Maybe bottom of the range, but it's weak. It's for me it's liquidity, you know. It's looking like a liquidity. It's not looking like a strong support. It's looking like a liquidity to sweep. Silver. Bro. That was break even. That was break even point. Silver sweep the low and fly. GG's. Let's try silver once again. S&P. That S&P is the longest trade I ever see. It's 2 weeks. And now just from last week it's still not hit the target. Come on, S&P. What are you doing? Euro is coming to the zone slowly. GBP, for GBP no zone. I skip GBP. CHF. Oh man, really? They swap external high and die. They swap external high. We mark up it as a liquidity, maybe, because I saw that line, so probably. It's dying as well. Skip for now, but yeah. Sad a bit. Bitcoin. I was shorting Bitcoin yesterday from here. and get out here or here, I can't remember. 7, no, here. I get out somewhere here. Because when I saw the reversal on gold and Strait of Hormuz open, I was worried about reversal. So they took the low and do the reverse. Yeah, but 1-to-1 scalped. If is dealing with running. If we break it to the upside, I believe if can go somewhere here above 2k. If we take it out, if can go somewhere here or run to the all-time highs territory. Pure price action like before last year. We'll see. And oil get wrecked from the zone. They just break it to the upside. I mark up daily fibs from here to here. There is 0.5 level and there is 61 to 78. This is also support turn into resistance. So oil that brush is not good. I will go pick up my son from school in 15 minutes. I worry you didn't come back here because I'm finished in a few minutes. And the regular session is cancelled for today, like I say at the beginning of the session, because I'm going for eye lenses. How to contact lenses. Okay, for contact lenses. Yep, so interesting. Look at the 15-minute chart. Candle didn't close above the counter trend line. Same here. That was just small, and same here. Of course it doesn't mean much, but will be good if 1 hour close above that line. That will be confirmation. Okay, let me know if you have some question. 2 minutes here. We look at the gold chart. We're waiting for the close of that candle. If there is no question, I will finish. We see again tomorrow and Thursday, as always. Be careful at 4 p.m. I will be not able to use Discord because at 4 p.m. I will be inside my car, so so I'm not using phone when I'm driving. Be careful at 4 p.m. and tomorrow we have nothing, so no news tomorrow, more like a chill day. Oh no, I'm sorry, there is PPI Wednesday. Okay, we got the same news today 4 p.m. and tomorrow. Cool. Cool, and PPI at the New York Open. So today be careful at 4 p.m. Tomorrow be careful at New York Open. It's gonna be mid-impact news, but then I don't know how hard that German news can hit. I don't know if it's truly red or more like a mid, but have that in mind and be careful. Thursday, unemployment claims as always, and that's all. So I can't see any question. That's gonna be it from myself. We see again tomorrow. I hope you get some value from today's session and be careful. Bye bye guys, bye bye.